Hello everybody, welcome back to the Delmarva Real Estate Market Report here for December 11th, 2026. How are you? Hope you are doing great, and this is Fed Week. We just got through the December Federal Reserve rate decision, and for the third time in a row, the third meeting in a row, the Fed has decided to reduce the federal funds rate by 0.25%. So that's, from a public perception standpoint, that is great news. We're going in the right direction. The Fed has continued to do it, like I said, the last three meetings. What does that actually translate into when it comes to mortgage rates? Well, you might be surprised, but the federal funds rate, the Fed rate, is not directly tied to our mortgage rates. Instead, you've heard me talk about this before, instead, the mortgage rates are tied closer to the 10-year Treasury. But what it does do is it does give some benefit to public perception. It gets people excited, and it in turn slowly does reduce our mortgage rates typically. So that's good news. That just happened yesterday. But what is going on in the local real estate market? If we look here specifically in Worcester County, we had 30 new listings come on the market here in the last 7 days, while we had 36 go under contract. We outsold the inventory. That's good news. That means there's a little bit of a pop to our market here. Some people taking advantage of the time of the year to buy. People trying to get some things under contract before the end of the year. Countywide, 714 total actives as of today, 130 going under contract in the last 30 days. That's a little bit of a slowdown there. That gives us 5.5 months supply currently, just under that 6-month mark. It's good for buyers. When you got a little bit more inventory, things are sitting a little bit longer, there's some opportunities there, and a lot of my buyers have heard me talk about that. Wicomico County, 31 new listings in the last 30 days, or in the last 7 days rather, 28 going under contract, pretty even in Wicomico County, 332 total actives as of today, and 91 going under contract in the last 30 days. That gives us 3.6 months supply. Finally, Sussex County, 95 new listings, while we had 105 go under contract, 1,963 total actives as of today, and 372 going under contract in the last 30 days. That gives us 5.3 months supply. What am I seeing from this? I am seeing actually that some properties have come off the market and less are coming on the market, while at the same time the total demand is down a little bit. But if we look at total inventory, especially over in Sussex County, we're down about 200 units as opposed to where we were just a couple weeks ago as far as total inventory. And some of that is people taking the property off the market. Some of it is the fact that they're just not listing it right now because of the holidays. So that's very unique or interesting to this time of year. When we look at interest rates, we are currently sitting at 6.3% on the 30-year fixed. Our adjustable rate mortgages are coming in right at 6%. And if you want to take advantage of, say, a 15-year mortgage right now, we are at 5.8%. So there you have it. That's kind of a recap on the first half of December 2026, coming to the end of the year here. Always an exciting time of the year, and a very exciting time of the year with the holidays. So there you have it. If you like this information, please share it with a friend. Until next time, make it a great day.